Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. Boy, have I got a tasty treat for you. Breakfast treat, anytime treat. You just need some simple ingredients. You need some crescent dough, some cream cheese, and the jelly of your choice. I choose raspberry jam. Oh, it's awesome. I call it Raspberry Bisquits. Want to see how I made it? Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Oh yeah, Enemans, eat your heart out. You want to try some, Mabel? Pop-Tarts. Ah, come on. All right, let's try it. No, Junior, you just might be onto something. Well, maybe we're getting a convert? Thanks for watching my video this week. Hope you enjoy watching them as much as I enjoy making them. Boy, that Mabel, she's quite a character, isn't she? You know, I haven't seen for a while? That Wilson guy. Maybe I'll go knock on his door, see what he's been up to. What do you think? Leave me a comment below. Let me know. You know what they say, don't you? When the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Homestead kitchen living. Making cooking fun again. If you like this, click the like button. Subscribe. Share it with a friend. And always go with Jesus. Can't go wrong. Thanks again for watching.